Introduce features interest and fast overview of QSAEHLS Dashcam front 1080p FHD car dash camera for cars. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Dashcams for cars, simultaneous records with super high resolution 1080p FHD lens, 120-degree wide angle, clearly capture the license plates as well as road signs during the day and night. Keeps you safe and ensure your pleasant journey. 3.0-inch LCD screen to help you clearly see every detail in the process of playing car video, bringing a better visual experience. Warm tips: the SD card is not included in the Dashcam package. Dashcam with seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with newest content when the storage limit of card is reached. Car dash camera built-in adjustable sensitivity gravity sensor automatically detects a sudden collision, then immediately saves the unexpected driving incidents and locks it to the file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. The security camera for car automatically power on and starts recording once it detects bumps by someone in the parking lot. This video will be saved and locked, thus providing you with video evidence. A car security camera needs a constant power supply either from an external battery pack or hardwire, hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.